Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hello everyone. Here I am Fan and I hope you all safe. Right now, in this morning, I wanna make a video for completing my English assignment, which is make a video review, two video tutorial, make the score IELTS, test TOEFL, and two short movie. And right now I wanna complete two video first, basically video review. And in this my first video review, I wanna review one book that I bought in last year. Yeah, last year I bought it, and the title is The Whole Brain Chill, and the price is for the Java Island is 100. Okay, and you can buy it in the marketplace, or you can go to Gramedia maybe, and yeah, or other bookstore. Okay, basically this book is written by Americans, which is Mr. Daniel and Miss Tina Payne, Daniel Siegel and Miss Tina Payne Bryson. And the book that in my hand in this book is book translated by voice translate. Yeah, this book is translated by Indonesian language by the maybe translated by Naura. I don't know. Yeah. Um, yeah. You know, now I have a good news for you. No, nothing. First one, this book is very important, and yeah, for we will talk about this book or about the human brain, but we are not talking about the just any brain, but we will try, or we will talk about the look closely at the children's brain, like that. And if you have ever spent if you have ever spent time with a little kid, you know they can be very unpredictable, like yeah, many things, annoying thing or annoying thing that they do. And have you ever seen the little child crying so loudly just because their cookies or their toy was broke into two pieces maybe, or mm, many pieces, or maybe they are screaming because they have to wear a blue shirt instead of a red shirt. Nah, in this moment, as older people, we usually think, what is wrong with this kid? Why they are acting like this? Usually, uh, we think like that or think like this. Maybe your children or your sister or brother broke oh no broke broke their toy, and sometimes the first thing the first thing there's in your brain is like this. Ya udah, ya udah. Why you do please don't cry. After this we will book again. We will buy again another one. Or don't cry. After we can buy the new toy. I like that. But yeah, sometimes the first thing like that as older people. Well, I have good news for you. nothing nothing wrong with them. The brain is just growing, and today we are going to learn exactly how that works. Yeah, like that. And when I, uh, when first I saw when I first saw this book, I thought it was going to be boring, like other book. Oh, not other book. Like yeah, I think this will be bored. I thought it will be full or hard medical words, and that I will not understand. But I was wrong. This book is actually very fun, very easy, and full of great advice. Okay. The main idea of this book is actually very simple. If we can understand how the brain child, how the eh, child's brain, child's brain works, we will not get angry at them so easily. We can help them become better, calmer, and happier. So let's talk about the big ideas in this book. Okay, actually this book, I forget, this book has have 331 pages, and I will not tell one by one, but I just make the summary like that of this book. Okay, the author, oh yeah, the first big word used in integration, yeah, like that. The in this book, the mindful or the big word lah, main word in this book is integration. Integration just means teamwork. A healthy brain is like a good team where all the player work together. And the author tell us to imagine a river. On the left side of the river is chaos. Chaos means everything is crazy, out of control, and full wild emotions. And the right side of the river, that is Rakti. Rakti means being very inflexible and stuck in one place. That means of rigidity, 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 and the river, left river is crazy and out of control emotions. And a uh, happy brain flows nicely right down the middle of the river. The it means like that. Yeah, and that's the illustration about the emotional thinking. of the brain, child, child's brain, and so their little boats crash into the sides of the river all the time. To help them to stay in the middle of river, the book tells us to look at the brain two ways. The first, let's look at the left and the right brain. Your our left brain is the smart or thinking like smart, logical sides, logically, and like facts. 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 And it likes word and order. And the right brain, our right brain, is feeling side. It's like artist or emotion, place of emotion, memorize, and body language. When children are very young, or still adult, their right brains is much stronger because they cannot learning something, so their they do what they wanna do like that, and they live in the world of feelings. So when a kid is very sad or very angry, their right brain is taking over like that. And what do what do we what must we do if we get our brother has crying? Usually we do. Usually we try to use our left brain to fix it, but uh, it's it's wrong because we try to solve it with the logical process of the left brain. Also, when the child are crying based on their right brain. Yeah, what I'm saying before, uh, their their brain still using a right brain because they cannot learning something logically cannot useful, so they do what they think good for do like that, just only emotional. And what I'm saying before, they live in world of feelings. And yeah, they usually we use to solve it biologically by words like this: hey, stop crying, stop crying, we can buy it a new one. If your toy is broke, or if your cookies is broke, we can buy another one. But this is wrong because we use the new the new maybe we say like this. Usually we say like this: hey, don't crying, it's just toy bro, gitu. We can buy another one tomorrow, don't be silly. Maybe usually we uh, talks like this. But the book tells us that these are bigger mistakes. You cannot use logic when a child full of strong emotions. Their left is turned off and they cannot hear your logic. Like that. So the book gives us our first big thing or big trick is called connect and reconnect. And there is in the page of like this. In the page of 11, yeah, the book gave us the first big tricks. The the call or the trick is the name of this trick is connect and reconnect. Here is how it works. First, you must connect first. You must connect with their right brain. You need to show them that you understand their feelings. You can hug them maybe, or you can speak with a soft spoken or gentle voice. And the example word that we can use is like this. Oh, I see, I see. You are the first sad. I know you are very sad because your toy broke. That makes you feel bad, right? Nah, that's the first thing to connect our emotion to their emotion. Like that. And when we done the first thing, the first step, they the child are feels safe, like that. And their brain right calms down. After they are calm, then you can redirect. This means we finally bring to logic by say like this. Uh, Now that we are calm, how about we try to fix the toy, or maybe yeah, we fix the toy with some glue. Uh, this trick is amazing and it really works. And I have used this tricks for my brother and my sister in my home. Okay, with that's the first thing what I get the big tricks. I get one of the mm, many tricks, many big tricks of this book. And I'm not yet finished uh, complete this book, and I am still learning in my time. But for this uh, video, basically the conclusion is if we attend, yeah, or face off the our brother or our sister that they crying, we don't use our logic or don't use only thoughts what what the logic of after this gitu. But the first thing we must connect first, okay? We must connect to their emotion. After that, after the emotion still calm down, we redirect to our left to their left brain. Exactly, the left brain is a logic to solve our problem or their problem. Why make they cry like that? Maybe that's enough for me. Uh, Thank you very much for watching and see you in next video. Bye.